Hey friends, it's Mrs. Miller. So today we're going to do a breathing strategy called rain breathing. So we are going to imagine a giant rain cloud in our head, and when we breathe in, we're going to raise up our hands like they were a big cloud, and then when we exhale, we're going to bring our fingers down to the edge of our desk, and just using my fingers, I'm going to tap on my desk. So all I'm doing is this to make the sound of raindrops. Now, I'm not banging on my desk. I'm not pounding on my desk. All I'm doing is using my fingertips. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Okay, so we're going to do that all together. And so we should be breathing in at the same time, and we should be tapping on our desk at the same time. All right, so here we go, all together. Breathing in and out. In and out. You may notice I'm doing a longer exhale than normal so that we get the full effect of the rain. All right, here we go. In. Big rain cloud and out. All right, last time. In and out. All right, friends, everybody should be done tapping, and I will see you next time. Bye.